Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, morning. Come on, Saturday night, and we're in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch it. Caroline Peguro.
I'm so happy to see you again. And to those who are new here, welcome to the most amazing family you will ever meet. Kulang sa pera. Kaya sila ang masarap i-mentor at i-guide.
Give you energy throughout the day. Siyempre, being an artist like yourself, you gotta have a lot of energy, right?
Well, actually, ang Choco Barley po kasi lahat meron na po siya. Siyempre, meron siyang nutrients na nakakabigay sa akin ng energy every day. Which is sobrang importante po sa akin kasi lagi ako walang tulog. So, kailangan ko talaga ng energy sa taping. So, ayun, marami siyang nutrients. So, it helps me po talaga every day.
Well said. You know, that's mo talaga yung maswerte ka today. Diba? Naramdaman ko ba yung kanina umaga? That she will be a new diamond, Miss Maradoni. Congratulations! High five naman dyan! High five, high five! Catherine Policarpio!
Congratulations again to RJ, our president, Mr. Alex Marvin Edel!
Tapos, eto, merong 7 na mananalo ng tig-1 milyong piso sa ating anniversary. Never give up. See you all at the top. God bless you all. God bless you all.